Hey everyone, it's Joseph at High Speed Gear, and I'm going to take a second to show you guys how to install both of our OTR kits, both the Bungee Kit and the cover kit. So for our OTR Bungee Kit, in the kit you're going to get 3 lengths of shot cord and 3 pullers. That's this piece right here. For this moment, we're just going to show you how to tie one. So with a new Gen 2 taco, we're going to start with our shot cord. On this tab on the back, we're going to start there by feeding the shot cord through, right like so. Now you want to go ahead and pull most of the shot cord through, but give yourself a little bit of a tail here at the end so that we can tie it off later. Then we'll take our puller and feed the shot cord through one of the holes in the puller. Then feed the shot cord through the tab at the front of the pouch, as so. And then we'll take this and feed it through the second hole in the puller, like so. So you should end up with the puller tied off to the shot cord and the shot cord run through both tabs on the Gen 2 taco. Finally, we'll secure the end of this with a simple overhand knot, right like that. And then we'll just tug this gently to secure. Now you can change the retention strength by adjusting the length of the tails here at the end. The longer the tail, the more retention there will be. The shorter the tail, the less retention there will be. So let's go ahead and test fit with a magazine. Insert like that. Make sure the magazine is fully seated, and then we'll install our bungee over the top. Again, check the retention, and then to adjust to your preference, just change the length of these tails here in the back. So for our OTR cover kits, we actually have 3 different options for lengths. We have a pistol length, an AR length, and an AK length. And the real difference, the pistol is self-explanatory. It's going to be for pistol magazines. The difference between the AR and AK cover, this is an AR cover, is really going to be based on what magazines you're using. If you're using long magazines such as AK magazines, go ahead and select that AK cover. If you're using standard 30-round magazines or smaller, then you're going to want that AR cover. In the kit, you'll get 1 cover, a puller, and a plastic clip. All of these pieces are important, so make sure that you have all 3 pieces. So, to install, we're going to start with a Gen 2 taco. Now, what I like to do, just to get our fitment right, is we're actually going to install the clip first in that middle row of MOLLE. Now this is just a place to start. There's quite a bit of adjustment to make sure that it fits any kind of magazine, but to start, let's go ahead and install that clip in that first row of MOLLE, right like so. Next, we'll take a standard 30-round magazine and install it, and make sure that it is fully seated in the taco. Having it fully seated is super important because we want to make sure that we get these measurements correct. Next, go ahead and hook the puller onto our plastic clip like so, leaving the tail. Pull a little bit of retention over the top, and now we can see roughly how deep we'll need to install this hook section into the taco. So that's going to be our starting point. Go ahead and remove your magazine. And next, we're going to take this hook and install it all the way down into the bottom of the taco. Now this can be kind of fiddly because of the hook that's in there, but just make sure that once you get it in place, you press the hook firmly in so that it's fully engaged with the loop inside of the taco. Next, we'll take our magazine, reinsert, and go ahead and test our fitment. In this case, we got it perfect, and this cover is set up.